Hello, welcome to Buddha Astro. In the previous class, we have discussed the basics of horoscope. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe it. This is the Jyotish Beginner series. So if you are a beginner and want to learn it, you can easily learn it. So please watch first video, then it is class second. Today we will discuss about houses in the astrology. Let's see. See what are the houses. There are three pillars in any horoscope. First pillar is the houses. Second pillar is the signs, zodiac signs or Rashi. Third pillar is the planets or grahas. So today we will talk about first pillar, that is the house, which is the basic requirement to learn any horoscope. Now, as you already know, now sorry, as you already know that houses are total 12 in any horoscope, and first house in any horoscope will be called as Lagna or ascendant. This is the North Indian style chart. Here you can see this first box, which is the diamond shaped box. This first box is known as first house, or we call it Lagna. Then in the North Indian chart, we go backward or anti-clockwise. So this house will be the second house because Earth rotate west to east. That's why in the North Indian chart, we consider Earth rotation. So we go backward or anti-clockwise. So this will be the second house. This will be the third house. And similarly, this will be the 12th house. Now, this is the fixed structure in any North Indian chart. In any North Indian chart, this house will be the first house, which will be called as Lagna. This will be the second house. This will be the third house, right? This is the South Indian chart. Here, this first box, left it, start from the second box. Here, we do not have houses, we just have signs placed in there. So in the South Indian chart, this first box will always have the sign of Aries. Whether you write one number or do not write, it was always considered Aries sign, this box. Then second box next to it will be considered Taurus sign. Now in the South Indian chart, we go in the clockwise direction, or we can say in the solar direction, because sun revolves east to west. So we go in the South Indian direction, east to west. So this is not house, this is the box where the Taurus sign is placed. Suppose we are talking about Aquarius Lagna. So in the North Indian chart, this box will have the number 11 because Aquarius sign is 11. But in the South Indian chart, this box will have a cross sign over it because in any South Indian chart, this box will be the Aquarius sign. So we just cross it so anyone can learn that it is the Lagna in that horoscope when it is crossed. I have already told you this in the first video, examples introduction video. Let's talk about houses. These are the point you have to remember when it comes to the houses. As you already know, this is the houses in North Indian chart. First you have to learn is that houses are fixed in any horoscope. This is the fixed, this is the fixed first house, this is the fixed second house. Similarly, all houses are fixed. In any North Indian chart, this house will be the 12th house, right? So houses are fixed in any horoscope. Second thing is houses are independent. Independent means they do not connect to each other by themselves. First house is independent, second house is independent, third house is independent. Like all the houses, all the 12 houses are independent to each other. Independent means they do not directly connect to each other by themselves, right? Now suppose you are talking about seventh house, so this house will be the seventh house and this will show the marriage in any horoscope. So houses are fixed, right, and independent. Second thing is lordship of a house is decided by the sign in it. This is the house, simple structure. But as soon as we put sign or zodiac sign or rasi in a house, then lordship of that house is defined. I will show you in the next examples. Suppose you are talking about seventh house. Here there is no sign. Suppose Leo sign is there. So we will say that Sun is the lord of seventh house. Now why Sun become lord of the seventh house? Because the sign was Leo. That's why. So lordship of a house is decided by the sign which is placed in the house. Fourth point is each house in our horoscope represent a specific area of our life. Whole universe has been divided into 360 circle, and this 360 circle has been divided into 12 parts which are known as the house. So each house in horoscope, like this first house, second house, third house, these represent a specific area of our life. Suppose we are talking about mother, so fourth house will show our mother in any horoscope. So this is the fixed area because fourth house will show the mother. So each house has specific significations or a specific life area. You have to remember. I will show you, but you have to remember that this is fixed. Suppose you are talking about wife will be seen from the seventh house. This is fixed. Suppose you are talking about longevity, it is seen from the eighth house. Although first house is also seen, but generally eighth house is considered the house of death or house of longevity. I will show you significations of each houses. But you remember that house represent a specific area of life. Suppose someone come to you about the problem of job. So job will be seen by the sixth house. So you will immediately go in any horoscope to the sixth house because the problem or the area the client is telling to you is related to the sixth house. Suppose someone is talking about father or teacher, then you will go to the ninth house. Although father is also seen by the tenth house. See, the beauty of astrology is everything works in astrology. If you have faith and you accept the things the way they are, then you can only learn astrology, otherwise not. Because you should be very open, because this is a divine science. It can have any interpretation of anything, right? So people say whether ninth house or 10th house, both. And I have seen both works very brilliantly. 10th house also and ninth house also. Now, fifth point is one sign, one house is equal to one zodiac sign is equal to 30 degree. As I already told you, whole horoscope, if you consider 360 degree, then you can say that each house will be of the 30 degree, right? Suppose this is a circle of 360 degree, then 360 divided by 12, so you will get 30 degree. So we can say each house in any horoscope will be of 30 degree. Now house is equal to the sign because there are 12 houses, so 12 sign will be there. So we can say one house is equal to one sign is equal to 30 degree. So each house, this will be 30 degree, second house also be 30 degree, this will be 30 degree, fourth, this will be 30 degree. All houses will be of equal degrees, that is 30 degree. These point you have to remember about the houses, that they are fixed, they are independent. Lordship of a house is decided by the sign in it. Then each house represent a specific area which known as signification, and house is equal to the 30 degree. Let's see. Now, houses have been classified into several points. First point is Kendra houses. What are the Kendra houses? In any horoscope, first house, fourth house, seventh house, and tenth house. These four houses will be known as Kendra houses. And we also call these houses as Vishnu Sthana, Lord Narayan Sthan. Classics also says that Kendra houses are also known as Kantaka or Chatushta. Chatushta means a group of four. This is the first, this is the fourth, this is the seventh, this is the 10th. So 1, 4, 7, 10th. These are not the signs, these are the houses. Now, as soon as sign you will place, they will also be Kendra to each other, right? So these are the houses which are the Kendra houses. Now, one term is common as Panfara. Panfara means houses which are next to the Kendra houses. This is the first Kendra houses. So next to it will be the Panfar houses. So second house will be the Panfar. Now next Kendra houses is the fourth house. So next Panfar house will be the fifth house. Next Kendra house is seventh house. So next Panfar house will be the eighth house. and fourth Kendra house is the 10th house. So next Panfara house will be the 11th house. So that's why second house, fifth house, eighth house, and 11th house are known as Panfara house. And next from the Panfara house is known as Apoclim. These are the important point you have to remember. Don't worry about Panfar or Apoclim. Just remember that Kendra houses are 1, 4, 7, 10. This is the first, this is the fourth, this is 7th, this is 10th. And these are known as Vishnu Sthana as well as Kantak or Chatushka. Let's talk about trine houses. What are the trine houses? These are the trine houses. Lagna, that is the first house, fifth house, and ninth house. So first, fifth, and ninth, these houses are known as Trikon houses or trine houses. These houses in any horoscope will be known as Lakshmi Sthana. Kendra houses are known as Vishnu Sthana. Trine houses are known as Lakshmi Sthana. Right? Fifth house is also known as Purva Punya house. And ninth house is also known as Shubh or Bhagya. Now, in any horoscope, these two houses, fifth house and ninth house, these trine houses are the most auspicious houses for any horoscope. So, connection of a house lord with these houses or with these planets will give you auspiciousness related to that signification. Suppose you are talking about seventh house, that is the wife or marriage. Suppose seventh lord is sitting with the ninth lord. So ninth house is a Trikona house. So ninth lord will be the most auspicious. So you can say that marriage will be an auspicious event or marriage will be a very fortunate event because ninth house is fortune or bhagya. Ninth house is also known as Shubh house. So these are the most auspicious houses. Where prediction will go, suppose someone is talking about a legal case, someone is involved in a legal issues, and a court case is running, and they ask whether I will win it or not. If that house has the connection or that house lord has the connection with the fifth house or ninth house, you can say that yes, you are going to win the court case because these are the auspicious houses. So they will provide you benefit, right? So this is how we use these points into predictions. So remember these points very clearly. So what are the Trikona houses? First house, fifth house, and ninth house. Let's see Trik houses. These houses are the most bad houses you can say in any horoscope. These are known as Trika houses. Trika means group of three. That first Trik house will be the sixth house. If you count from the Lagna, because Lagna will be the first house, then it will be the sixth house, then eighth house, and then 12th house. So we can say that in any horoscope, sixth house, eighth house, and 12th house will be the most inauspicious houses or most bad houses in any horoscope. These houses are also known as Duhu Sthana, right? Because they provide you suffering or sorrow, they bring you misery. That's why they are known as Duisthana houses. This is the most important point because we will, when we go to prediction, I will tell you how these houses are used to define the pending karma or sufferings in the person's life. Now, Upchaya houses. What are the Upchaya houses? Third house, sixth house, 10th house, and 11th house. These four houses in any horoscope are known as Upchaya houses. This is the third house. So then sixth house, then this will be the 10th house, and this will be the 11th house. So 3, 6, 10, and 11 house in any horoscope are known as Upchaya houses. Then next is 3 Shaddai houses. Now remember, 3 means 3, Shad means 6, I means 11. So third house, sixth house, and 11th house. These three houses are known as 3 Shaddai houses. As the name suggests, three, yeah, tri means third, Shad means 6, I means 11th. Now you see, third house is Upchaya house also, as well as 3 Shaddai house also. Sixth house is also Upchaya house. Sixth house is also Trishada house. 11th house is also Upchaya house. 11th house is also Trishadai house. You can remember like this. Then next is Leena houses. What are the lean houses? The word lean means hidden or which is not expressed correctly. So third house, sixth house, eighth house, and 12th house. These four houses are known as Leena houses. Now you can easily remember third house and then Trika houses because sixth house, eighth house, 12th house. These three houses are known as Trika houses. So what will be the lean houses? Trika houses along with the third house. This is how you can remember. If you want to predict or you want to seriously learn astrology, you should remember each and every point very clearly because Jyotish is far more different in the classics what is being taught to you by the YouTube. So please remember these things so that there is no confusion as you progress in your astrological journey. So Leena houses will be the third house, sixth house, eighth house, and 12th house. This is given in the Fal Deepika. Now Chaturastra, Chatu means fourth, Rastra means eighth. Actually is eighth house is known as Randhra houses. Randhra means Chidra or Randhra. It means as soon as we take birth, eighth house works like a time coin out which the sand is coming. So as soon as sand gets empty or time con get empty, we become dead. This is how eighth house works. So this is known as eighth house is known as Randhra houses. So fourth house and eighth house both are known as Chaturastra. Fourth house as well as the eighth house. This is known as Chaturastra. These are the different classifications which are, or you can say names which are given to the houses in any horoscope. You should clearly remember these points. Let's practice this. This is the chart, Queen of England. See, this is the first box. You can see where the 10 number is written. What is 10? 10 is the Capricorn sign. So we can say the Lagna is the Capricorn. You can see Lagna is Capricorn. Now, this 10 number is ruled by the Saturn, as I have already told you this in class first video. This 10 number means Capricorn sign. Capricorn sign is ruled by the Saturn. So we will say that Lagna Lord is Saturn. Where is Saturn is sitting? Saturn is sitting in the 11th house. How you will count? This first box is the Lagna. Then go in the reverse direction. This will be the second house. This will be the third house. This will be the fourth house. This is the fifth, sixth, seventh house, eighth house, ninth house, 10th house, 11th house. Now this house is the 11th house. 11th house has the sign of 8. 8 means sign of Scorpio. It means Vrishchik Rasi is there in the 11th house and Saturn is sitting there. Who is the Saturn? Saturn is the Lagna Lord, right? Now go to the second house. Second house has the sign of Aquarius because 11 sign 11 number is written. 11 number means sign of Aquarius. Aquarius is also ruled by Saturn. So this house will be also ruled by the Saturn. See, zodiac sign decide the rulership of the house. Houses do not have any rulership. Zodiac sign will tell what is the planet which rules it. Suppose you are talking about third house. Here the 12 number is written. 12 number means Pisces sign. So Jupiter will be the third lord in this horoscope. Right? Now we will talk about planets which are sitting in the Lagna. What is the Lagna? This first box is the Lagna. Diamond shaped box is Lagna. Right? Here Jupiter as well as Mars are sitting. So planets which are sitting in the Lagna is Jupiter and Mars. Now planets which are sitting in the Kendra houses. What are the Kendra houses? First house, then it will be the fourth house, then this will be the seventh house, then this will be the 10th house, right? These are the Kendra houses. You can already see the diamond shaped box. Within this diamond shaped box, Kendra houses are written. So Jupiter, Mars, Sun, and Moon. Why? Because Jupiter, Mars sitting in the first house, Sun is sitting in the fourth house, Moon is sitting in the seventh house, 10th house has no planet. So in the Kendra houses, Jupiter, Mars, Sun, and Moon are sitting. Now, what are the planets which are sitting in the Upchaya houses? What are the Upchaya houses? 3, 6, 10, and 11 house. First, you see third house. This is the third house. Here the Mercury, ME is written Mercury. Now go to the sixth house. This is the sixth house. Here RA means Rahu. Now go to the 10th house. There is no planet in the 10th house. Then go to the 11th house. There is Saturn. So you can say that Mercury, Rahu, and Saturn, these three planets are sitting in the Upchaya houses, right? Upchaya houses are three house, third house, sixth house, 10th house, and 11th house. So we took third house. Third house has Mercury, sixth house has Rahu, eighth house, sorry, 10th house has no planet, 11th house has the Saturn, right? Now we will talk about planets which are sitting in the Dusthana houses or Trika houses. So what are the Trika houses? Sixth house where Rahu is sitting. Eighth house there is no planet. 12th house there is Ketu. Rahu Ketu are always 1/7 to each other. Rahu is sitting in the sixth house. Then opposite will be the Ketu in the D1 chart or in D9 or D12 also. Right? But first we will talking about T1 chart. So Rahu will be opposite to the Ketu always, right? So planet which are sitting in the Dusthana houses is Rahu and Ketu. Now you tell me what are the planet which are sitting in the trine houses in this horoscope. Let's practice chart 2. Let's talk it. This is the chart of Jawaharlal Nehru. This first box is the Lagna, as I already told you. Lagna has the sign of 4, that is the 4 number is written. 4 number means Cancer sign. So we will say that Lagna is the Cancer. Since moon is sitting there, so moon sign will also be the Cancer sign because the sign where the moon sits, it is known as Janma Rasi or moon sign. So moon sign will also be the Cancer sign. Now who is the Lord? This is the Lagna house. So Lagna Lord will also be the moon because moon owns this house, right? And moon also sitting in the sitting also in the Lagna house, right? So Lagna is Cancer, Lagna Lord is Moon, and Moon sitting in the first house or Lagna. Now, what are the planets which are sitting in the Kendra houses? This is the Moon, Venus, and Mercury. Because Moon is sitting in the first house is Kendra. Then Venus and Mercury are sitting in the fourth house is another Kendra house. Seventh house is another Kendra house, like there is no planet. 10th house is another Kendra house, but there is no planet, right? So that's why Kendra houses has the Moon, Venus, and Mercury. These two Kendra houses are empty. Planets which are sitting in the Upchaya houses. See, Upchaya house will be the third house. Here Mars is sitting. Sign is 6. 6 means Virgo. It means third house has the Virgo sign and Mars is sitting there. Right? So third house has the Mars. Now go to the sixth house. Jupiter and Ketu. This is the sixth house. Jupiter and Ketu. Right? So Upchaya house. Next Upchaya house will be the 10th house. So this is the 10th house. There is no planet. 11th house, there is no planet in the 11th house. Now planets which are sitting in the Dusthana houses or bad houses. What are the Dusthana? 6th house, 8th house, and 12th house. You see 6th house has the Jupiter Ketu. 8th house has no planet. This is the 8th house. There is no planet in it. 12th house, Rahu is sitting there. 12th house is sitting in Rahu is sitting in the 12th house. So Rahu is in the Dusthana, right? Now you tell me what are the planets which are sitting in the trine houses in this horoscope. These are the trine houses: first house, fifth house, and ninth house. Now let's talk about the power houses of the horoscope. This is the most important part of any horoscope. There are three power houses of any horoscope which are known as first house, that is Lagna or ascendant. Then second, where the moon is sitting, house of moon sign. Third is where the sun is sitting or house of sun sign. Here you can see this is the Lagna. So first powerhouse will be the Lagna. Then where is the moon is sitting? So moon is sitting in the seventh house. So next powerhouse will be the seventh house. Or we can say moon sign house will be the powerhouse. Then sun sign house will be the next powerhouse. So these are the powerhouses of any horoscope. Life of a native is concentrated, or we can say focused on these three houses only. because here we take worth. Sun is the Atma or soul, moon is the mind. First house is known as body. So, body is connected to the soul by the help of moon. Moon is act as a bridge, right? Moon is mind. Mind connect your body to your soul. That's why these 3 points are the very pivotal point or powerhouses of any horoscope. You have to remember this point very clearly. In this Nehru's chart, this is the first house or lagna. Here, first powerhouse will be the this. Now, next powerhouse will be the house of moon sign. Now, you see, moon is also sitting in the lagna. Now, this lagna has become more powerful because it is lagna as well as moon is also sitting there. So, double powerhouse it become. Then next powerhouse will be the sun, where the sun is sitting in the horoscope. Sun is sitting in the fifth house. Sign is Scorpio. So, this is the powerhouse of this horoscope, right? Now, since moon is sitting in the lagna, that's why moon sign has also become lagna. So powerhouse become double powerful. Now, there is another powerhouse in any horoscope which is hidden or people don't use it. But this is the most important part of any horoscope. Do not skip this part. This is known as Paka Lagna. What is Paka Lagna is the house where the Lagna Lord is sitting in your horoscope is known as Paka Lagna, right? So that house where the Lagna Lord is sitting also act as a powerful house in any horoscope. Here you can see this is the first house. First house has the sign number 10, that is Capricorn. So Lagna will have the Capricorn sign. And this is ruled by the Saturn. Now see, Saturn is sitting here. Saturn is sitting in the 11th house. So 11th house will be known as Paka Lagna. Why? Because Lagna Lord is sitting there. So the house where the Lagna Lord sits in any horoscope, it becomes most powerful house. Trust me when I say this. I will tell you the effect of this house when we will discuss the Vimshotri Dasa. There you will see the magic of this house, Paka Lagna. We will see the prediction from it. Now you see in the Nehru chart, Moon is the Lagna Lord because Lagna has the sign of Cancer, which is ruled by the Moon, and Moon is sitting in the Lagna. So here Lagna also and Paka Lagna also become the first house, right? Because Lagna Lord sitting in the Lagna. So Paka Lagna and Lagna are same in this horoscope. Now you see the double powerful of this house. That's why Nehru has become the most important personality in our Indian history, right? Because Moon is showing the effect of Lagna as well as Paka Lagna. So it becomes double powerful, or we can say double powerhouse it works. So remember this point, Paka Lagna. Where the Lagna Lord sits, that house is known as Paka Lagna. Here Lagna Lord Saturn sitting in the 11th house. So 11th house becomes the Paka Lagna. Here Lagna Lord is Moon sitting in the Lagna also. So here Lagna itself become the Paka Lagna. This is the this is the part of basics about the houses. In the next video, I will tell you what things or what significations, what specific area of our life are seen from the houses. And there we will talk about Lagna also. Now remember this tripod horoscope. What is tripod? This is known as tripod also, where the Lagna, moon sign, and sun sign is there. Here, this is Lagna, this is sun sign, this is moon sign. So tripod, these 3 points are the tripod of this horoscope. Since here Lagna and Moon Lagna are the same, so these two houses are the tripod of this house. And apart from this, don't forget this Paka Lagna part, right? So let's meet in the next video. Please like and share, subscribe. Thank you.